What's good, y'all? It's your boy J Rock. I'm back with another video. It's been a minute since I've been on the charge. I took a little break, like I said. Took like the whole weekend off, obviously, and I took Monday off. And yeah, it's a little bit of Tuesday too. We back Wednesday morning with a trade. Made $800 on my new Lucid 25K. I had blew the other one basically. Um, I got out really early because I seen price start chopping around a little bit, and I tend to notice after New York session K, fuck New York session, but New York session it tends to chop around after the first move, and the first move pretty much already happened today. This sell that happened market open. I expected price to touch these previous day highs before we drop down, but it really didn't. So I just caught the move up back to previous day highs, which is still doing right now. But as you can see from the trade recap, I ended up getting out a little early because price started chopping around, and I really wanted to win the trade because it's been a real rough patch for me during these market conditions. So I decided to just take profit early instead of just trying to hold. Because most of the times when I hold my trade, it either just goes back break even or I just ended up hitting stop loss. So I ended up just getting out the trade early as soon as I seen this chopping around. Just take my W on this account, giving me another cushion for the next session because New York hasn't really been treating me good anyway, and I'd much rather just hop on either Asian or London because with the war going on right now and Trump, price action just been tripping, bro. But pretty much what I seen coming into market today, pretty much went to my daily, marked down my daily high, previous day low. Um, seen in the 4 hour price was pretty much chopping around, and um, I had a cool bias after, like I said, that low was made, that the new 4 hour opened bullish, and I was able to catch um, this $800 trade, like I said, from this low. I seen this fair value gap breaker block, and then I seen price was mainly holding and just in this range, and I already know price obviously needs to touch this high before it was continue to go down because my bias coming to the day was mainly neutral bias because like I said we've been chopping in this range, so I was pretty much on the day waiting for price to either break above this high or below, and it ended up just like I said leaving before it can touch the high, and that's how I was able to catch this long right here because I knew price was eventually going to have to touch it, which it most likely is. But from this 4 hour gap, pretty simple. Waited till the 10 a.m. candle open, bullish, and was able to get into this trade around 10:05, and just hopped out. As you can see, it's chopping around. Wanted to secure profit for the first trade on this account, build some momentum, start snowballing, and hopefully we get a payout on this account. We're gonna try again. We're gonna keep shooting. We like Curry out this bit. We're gonna keep shooting, feel me? But pretty short trade recap today. My fault for not keeping it consistent. I just need a little break from the market. I feel like I've been just consumed with just a lot of trading content. If it's YouTube videos, TikTok, my own content, and the losing was kind of good to me, considering I'm not profitable yet and haven't got a payout. So rough patches like these, I really haven't experienced, and especially you being unprofitable, is just gonna mess with my psychology even more because I haven't touched any bread off futures. So, you know, but as far as my psychology, I'm good. Just keep pushing, slow and steady, but also being aggressive with my entries and sizing and stuff like that. As you can see in this trade, I kind of sized in. To me, I thought I was sizing at the right time, but every time it looks like I size in, price starts reacting, going the opposite way. But just a little choppy, and it just eventually moved up. But yeah, I like this trade. Seen the same setup with breaker blocks and fair value gaps play out plenty of times. As soon as you see a fair value gap with a Doge candle displacement, you know it's paired with where you want your liquidity, where you're target liquidity from. It's pretty much an easy setup every time, bro. And this is the type of setups I was looking for this month in this market setup, but as you can see, still chopping, still holding me, and yeah, bro, I could trade, bro. I know how to trade. It's really all psychology, bro. When you really put it down to it, like I really could have held this trade, but I'm not gonna hold this trade. Consider it's my first trade on this account, and I'm trying to build a buffer. Feel me? So I'm cool with the 800. I'm gonna take my hand. I'm gonna hop off, and I'm gonna keep this trade recap short. Got my errands to run. Feel me? We gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna keep updating y'all, and feel me? It's been real. I'm out. God bless y'all, and take care, man. Peace.